guys, welcome to my channel. This is Claire. I'm so glad to have you here today. So I'm sharing with you how I was able to make a table stand with the help of my husband. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell as well so that you're notified every time that I upload. Thank you. So let's begin. We're starting off with this wood that we got from Home Depot. They were able to cut it out for us in the different dimensions that we needed. And then we shall also be using these 3 crates that we got from Walmart. And then using a pencil, we just marked out the points where we shall be placing these crates. We then used liquid nails to bond the crates onto the wood. And then Martin just placed a crate, an empty crate, just to keep it in place as we bonded the rest of the crates. Once all the crates were glued down, we used the same glue to cover the top with a bigger piece of wood. We loaded a few things on top and waited for the glue to dry, but it really didn't take long because outside is really so hot. So we flipped this whole entire piece and we put the legs. The legs we got from Home Depot. Altogether we used 6 legs, and then we also used the staple gun to just add more strength onto these bonds and just make sure everything is intact before we start painting. We wanted this entire piece white, so we went to Home Depot and picked out this white paint that we just painted all over this piece, in and out. And for some corners that were really hard to reach, we just used the white spray paint for them and just made sure every part of this piece was white. And this is what it looked like after we had finished and it had dried, and we brought it inside the house and we just loved how it looked and came out. And now we have glass that we shall be putting on top of this table stand. So I got this really from someone who didn't want it anymore, so we shall just be reusing it and painting it on one side with black paint that we got from Home Depot as well. Then we applied Gorilla Glue, and this is what will bond the glass onto the wood. We loaded a few things on top of this glass so that it could dry out so well, and so we left it overnight. Since we had so many boxes around home, we decided to reuse those, so we shall just be measuring them and reducing them to the dimensions of the crates. Actually a little bit smaller because we want them to be flexible inside the crates. The excess piece of the box that we cut off on the ends, we used hot glue to glue it back so we have the dimensions that we need for this box. We made out 2 of these boxes and we shall spray paint them with black inside and white outside. So for the edges of this box, I used cardstock paper that I covered with mirror reflective paper, and this I'll be cutting it out in 2 inches. Those will be the measurements for the sides, and I'll just be attaching them using hot glue. This mirror reflective paper has a protective film, so I was able to work well with it, and because I'll remove the peel at the end of the project. And also you can use cool glue or E6000 to attach these edges. And when I was done with all that, I used Mod Podge to add crushed mirror in the center of all this drawer. We made sure we apply enough Mod Podge so that we only apply 1 layer of the crushed mirror. After putting all this crushed glass, we took it outside to dry for like 2 hours. Then we brought it back, removed all the excess glass, and then put another very thick layer of Mod Podge so that it's safe to touch and also to seal the glass from falling off. We then took it outside to dry, and then also put the knobs that we got from Walmart, as well as add the foam boards that we got from Dollar Tree in the inside of this box, so it's totally black inside. And that was it for our piece. Thank you all for watching. I hope you did love this video. Please give me a like and share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel, as well as turn the notification bell. I also have other videos in my description box that you can check out for inspirations with DIYs and decor. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.